Hello everyone and welcome back again. So in the last video we have designed the home screen, and the home screen we have just left the one card also. So now I'm going to the UI. So first we are going to create this card UI, and then we are going to create the other screen. So for that I'm going to take a one dummy data. So I already create the dummy data like this, you can see. So we have one array with the name of the air data, you can see, and then pass the four objects with the image, temperature and weather and ID also. So for that, to render these items, I'm going to take a one flat list more, and here just take a one flat list and just type a data. Inside the data we need to pass the air data. This is our air data, you can see. And after that we need to pass the render item. This is my render item. Take a object and pass the item. Inside that we need to pass the return also, and take a one view and render the all the item and just save it. And now you can see we have seen the warning like a virtualized listing should be never nested. So for that, first we are going to nest it. Enable scroll view, take a true, and also scroll enable just done to false. We do not need to add the scroll enable in every flat list. We already take a one scroll view and wrap all the item in the scroll view. And also we have another flat list. This is my flat list, and just paste it, save it. So if I reload now, so we do not seen this, we do not seen any warning. And now I'm going to my flat list. We already create the UI for the weekdays card. I'm going to copy this card styling. So for that I'm going, this is my styling, you can see, and just cut and come down and just type like a card UI style and paste it, and just copy the card UI style, and just we need to take a one style in the flat list and just style dot card, and we just remove the card styling from the our flat list also, the first one. Just copy this and come to the top and remove the styling and edit. And now you can see we have again we have two card, you can see we have two cards. So first I'm going to, so first we have the air condition and see more. So for that I'm taking one header component. Just take a list of the header component. So we have list of the header component, and take a, and return also, and take a one view like this. And also we need to style and flex direction. We need to apply the flex direction because we need to add the two thing in the one line. And first we are going to take a text. Inside the text we need to pass the air condition. Air condition. We have air condition, and then I'm taking the one pressable because we have a button. Inside the pressable I'm taking a one text, see more, save it. So you can see we just rendered the air condition and see more. And first I'm going to style the text, and we have a color. First I'm going to pass the color like a text color. We are going to pass colors dot text gray color. We need to pass the text gray light color. And also font size, font family, I'm going to pass the font family semi bold, and font size scale 16. And let me cut this and paste it in the bottom. Card text and just copy the card text, just edit. And we also need to pass like a justify content, space between, and align item. Also pass the align item center. We need to design the see more. So for that I'm going to take a style, and we need to pass the styling of the see more inside. We need to pass the styling of the see more like this, and just pass the see more style. And we need to pass the background color first, and that will be colors dot blue. We have already color blue, we already mentioned the blue color. You can see this is the blue color. And we need to pass the padding, like we have a padding moderate scale 8, and just pass the border radius 20, and just copy the see more style and come to your pressable style and paste it. So you can see more, we just designed the see more also. And but we need to style the text also. So for the text, just copy this text styling and paste it. So we need to customize the see more style. So for that I'm going to add card text and just copy the whole call text and just come here and edit and just type the see more, see more text. And we need to light, just type the white, and regular need to pass regular, and also 12. Just copy the see more text and come to the top, and this is my text, paste it. So now we can see we just designed the similar type of the button. And let me open, we need to add the sim bold. So this is medium, we need to add the medium and just type 10. Yeah, so you can see now it's look better than past. And also we need to add the like a padding 6 and border radius 12. No, 20 is enough. And we need to add the padding horizontally more, padding horizontally 12. Yeah, it's looking better. And also align item, and also add the align item center. Just add the align item center, save it. Yeah, it's now it's look better. And let me add 12. So I just apply the font size 12, and now you can see, but the text is a little bit small. So for that I'm going to add the 12, save it. So now we are going to create the rest of the UI. So for that I'm going to the render item. So this is my render item. First we are going to take a one view, and inside the view we need to apply the styling, like we need to style, and we need to add the flex direction first, row, and align item center, and just take a one image first, and just type the source item image. You can see we just render the image. After that I'm going to item dot weather. So this is the name of the weather. We need to pass the styling for the image. So for that, style and width, we need to pass the width, moderate scale 24, and height also moderate scale 24, and save it. And we need to render the item in the column. So for that I'm going to the number of a column 2, and let me reload it. Just come here. You can see we have a number of the column 2. So we can take a one text more and just text and just add the item dot temperature, and we have like this. And just after this we need to add the column styling, column, so column wrapper styling this is, and just type the justify content space between, and we need to add like a align item center also. And let's see the UI first. So this is the UI we have, and we can also add the like a padding horizontally, moderate scale 20. Now we are going to the styling and adding the style to the text also, and just style dot card text. So we need to add the margin right in the image. Just type the margin right, moderate scale, add the 8, or let me add the 12. Yeah. Now we need to add the padding, and so for that I'm going to add the padding vertical. Yeah, it's look better now if I pass 20. I just passed the 20. You can see I just passed the 20. Let's see the UI first, and we have to design that text of the temperature. So just copy and come here and paste it. We need to add more styling in this, so let me add it. And just like we need to text align, we need to add the text align center also. So we just add the text align center, you can see. So let's see in the UI we have. So we have just created the UI like this, you can see, and we have a lot of spacing like that. So for that I'm going to take a 14 space. So let me format the code first. So now we are going to compare my card to the UI. So this is our UI, you can see, but we do not have a supply the 610. Yeah, let me pass the 14 also. The temperature text color is a white color. Yeah, like this. We just create the UI of this card also. And now I'm going to show you how to navigate from this C mode to the other screen. So this is my pressable, you can see. And first we are going to pass the on press, and just pass the alert in this. Is it working or not? Alert dot alert. Save. For the navigation I'm going to the top, and before my dummy data, just create a one cons with the name of the navigation, and is equal to use navigation. And use navigation, just import from the React navigation, just take it, come to the alert, and where is my alert? Let's see the alert. This is my pressable, and just remove the alert, and just add the navigation dot navigate. And which screen we are going? So we are going to the detail screen. So for that, let's go to the navigation and copy the same name. So this is the detail screen, and just paste it, save it, and just click on the see more, and we just navigate to the detail screen. Let's go to the detail screen. This is my detail screen, and first I'm going to remove the view, and just import the wrapper container, save it, and just type the text detail screen, and let me add the styling also for the detail screen. So if I save it, you can see we have a detail screen, and let me go back. So like this we can create the cart and navigate from one screen to another screen. So this is enough for today. I'll see you in next video. For now, bye bye.